I don't know if you're
Hey
ever just
guys,
like
we're showing
photos
this time
ever,
my
and you
desk.
just
So
see one,
yeah,
and you just
these
know you
two
want to draw it.
drawers.
It doesn't matter if you have to. You just know you're going
Yeah,
to.
I'm
That's
just
how I felt about this
watching
next
Drawing with
reference.
Waffles.
Something about the chin, the cheek, the
So
chiseled
you can hear that in the
features, the
background.
femininity,
So yeah.
the nose, the hair. I just was excited about it. So you can see, I drew it a lot bigger than the rest. I'd say I took my time with it, but I ended up spending the same amount of time on this one as I did with that weird pointy one.
So I have.
But I'm much happier with this one. It feels like if my style was
here,
a
I keep this
person,
one here.
they might look like
I was
this,
using it.
and it's just moving
I have a
upwards.
black one.
Tiny little corner. We're gonna squeeze the
one.
head in here. She looks a little
This one's a
concerned. She's all right. We
masking
talked it
tape.
through. She's over it now. She's forgiven me. I still don't really know what it is I did, but we're good. We're good. Everything's fine. This girl, I've also had to talk to her. I told her I wasn't really
You get a cutter
appreciative of the way
wheel.
she was looking at me. I don't have the same feelings for her. Luckily, everything went smoothly, and we're also good. So no need to worry. This one, I swear,
These are my Hebe
I
paints.
followed the reference. The neck is that bendy. I think this is
Then I
something you can do,
have
but boy, does it look weird. I also had a lot of fun drawing the nose. It took a few attempts,
these.
but I mean, look at it. It kind of looks like we're looking slightly up it. It also looks nose-shaped, unlike what I normally draw, which is just like a little button for a nose. I definitely got
oil
into drawing
pastels
noses
on the
over this
bottom.
challenge, and I think you'll see
Kneaded
the
eraser,
growth that it
sharpener,
has, and it kind of slowly comes back from the gray. My nose drawing abilities. So keep an eye out for that.
erasers,
Page that's half underwater, maybe, which again,
a
really
pencil
enjoyed this.
extender, filing for lead. I have one open, well, two open, so I keep these two closed. Random pens and pencils and drawing markers, or drawing pens. Right there, so yeah. And then this one, I have sharpeners, erasers, another sharpener, more kneaded erasers, and this one, and this one. Just random stuff. And then in a roller. There's the back there.
I did on this thing. Just like with my real life children, I have personal favorites with my drawing children as well. In this challenge, this is one of them. It is not like something that I draw very often.
And then paint knives, eraser pens, and black pens, that sort of thing. So,
looks great. Looks like
yeah.
a very attractive man. What else do I think?